Hey guys, so here at Titanium Real Estate Network, one of our philosophy is that your business is designed for others. Your business is designed for others. Our vision is to be the best place to work, buy and sell real estate in California. We believe that with no vision, the people perish. But then that means with vision, the people increase, prosper, right? So who are the people? Who are the people then that we every day focus, intend to serve? There are four groups of people. The first one is our clients. The second one is our team members, each other. The third one is our partners, business partners. And the fourth one is the community. One of the community that I'd like to share with you today is our commitment to the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. For the past 5 years, I'm so proud to share with you that every day I get to work, showing up in the office every day with the people that on a mission. We are on a mission this year, 2019, once again, for 5 straight years in a row. This year we are increasing our commitment to the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. We commit at least 100,000. We are on a mission this year to raise 100,000 to help kids over at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? All you need to do, revert to our award-winning real estate sales team. Call 626-789-0159. We take a portion of our income towards that mission. You see, we never ask donation from our clients. So the men and women, each individual team members in my team, actually every time there is a transaction or every time you refer a business to us, we take a portion of our income towards that goal, towards that mission to raise over 100,000 to Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. Many of our clients, many of you have been supporting our cause for the past 10 years. I just want to say thank you for your trust. Thank you for your business. Thank you for your many referrals. Last year in 2018, our team, our company has been ranked as the #1 top fundraising office for the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, single office category, and that's because of you. Once again, thank you. And together in 2019, we're gonna improve. We're gonna double that commitment, 100,000. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.